Withdrawing money from Google Photos to your bank account involves a few steps, primarily focusing on accessing your Google account and managing your funds. Follow the steps below to complete the process. Step 1. Access your Google account. Log into your Google account associated with Google Photos. Ensure you have the necessary permissions and access to any financial features linked to your account. Step 2. Check for earnings. Navigate to the section where you can view any earnings or funds available from Google Photos. This may include any payments for services or sales of photos if applicable. Step 3. Set up payment method. If you haven't already, set up a payment method within your Google account. This typically involves linking your bank account or choosing another payment option, such as PayPal. Step 4. Initiate withdrawal. Once your payment method is set up, go to the withdrawal section and select the amount you wish to transfer. Follow the prompts to complete the withdrawal request. Step 5. Confirm and wait for processing. After submitting your withdrawal request, confirm the details and wait for the processing time. This can vary depending on your bank and the amount withdrawn. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can successfully withdraw money from Google Photos to your bank account. Always ensure that your account information is up to date to avoid any issues during the process.